I finally got around to connecting my brass siphon to my automatic drip timer. It's connected to a steel hose, and the little tubing goes into a water bucket that I have mixed a solution of fish emulsion and Agro-Thrive. It's diluted so that I can spray my seedlings. Here we have jalapenos and cucumber seeds, and we also have I forget what I have down there. I believe these are green beans or bush beans. So I planted those yesterday. Hopefully they will come up soon, and when they come up, then I can start spraying them as needed. The hose I got off of Amazon. I believe it was like maybe $20, and the siphon came from Haas Tools. A regulator. It's a 25 psi. You can screw it, hand tighten it here, and then we're going to go out to the timer, and I'm going to connect this to the faucet or to the actual timer itself, and then I'm going to connect a 3/4 piece of pipe to here and connect it to the piece that's already there with the connector, and I should be ready to go. Okay, we have the filter that's connected. You have it running now, and everything is back working like it was before, which is great. Okay, this setup that you're looking at, the first one, a easy flow, it goes to my water hose. The black tubing connects my house to this tank here, connects back and flows through my water hose. This container, PVC container, has my fertilizer in it, and in a previous video I mentioned that it was a combination of Agro-Thrive and fish emulsion. And when I spray my plants with water, or I water my plants, I can turn it on and I can fertilize them while I'm spraying them. Coupling here allows me to have the tubing run to this watering jug here. And funny story about this, on the side of it, it says Moses' retirement 2022. I got this from my employees at work. The hose runs to the watering can, which has fertilizer in it, again Agro-Thrive, and it pumps water and the fertilizer to my plants that I have growing in my greenhouse here.